case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit heard the case of DJ Manufacturing Corp v. United States, which revolved around the enforceability of a liquidated damages clause in a government contract. DJ Manufacturing Corporation had been contracted to produce and deliver combat field packs during Operation Desert Storm. Due to missed delivery deadlines, the government withheld payment of $663,266.92 based on the liquidated damages clause in their contract. DJ Manufacturing contested the clause, arguing that it functioned as a penalty rather than a reasonable forecast of potential loss. However, the court ruled in favor of the United States, stating that DJ did not provide sufficient evidence to prove the clause's unenforceability. The court emphasized the objective reasonableness of the liquidated damages amount, considering the urgency of delivering war items quickly to support soldiers and maintain combat readiness. The Court of Appeals upheld the liquidated damages rate as reasonable and consistent with potential government injury, as DJ Manufacturing failed to present adequate evidence to support their claim that the rate was penal and unenforceable. Consequently, the lower court's decision was affirmed. This case highlighted the importance of liquidated damages clauses in government contracts, emphasizing their validity when they serve a compensatory function and are not disproportionate to potential damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.